Hello everyone, this is the first video of this video series on how to create a medical or hospital website with WordPress. This is a one page medical website. Okay, let's install the WordPress first. If you're using cPanel, if your web hosting provider provides cPanel, then you can go to cPanel auto installer or Softaclus to install the WordPress directly from your cPanel or control panel. Or if your web hosting provider provides web hosting manager like SiteGround, you can go also there and install the WordPress directly. But for today, here let me show you how to install the WordPress in your local web server. Here, download the latest version of WordPress core from wordpress.org, and I have already downloaded that. Here, this is the one. Then let's go to the web server for directory in C drive. Here in www directory, here you can drag the WordPress core files and drop here. And let's call it medical. Okay, you can close it, this zip file. And here in the local host of web server, you can go to phpMyAdmin, root, go, and create a new database. Let's call it medical. Create it. It's done. You can close the phpMyAdmin, and let's create a virtual host. Let's call it medical demo website.in, and folder is C drive 164 and www medical / okay. Let's create the 164 www medical. Let's create this virtual host. Okay, now let's restart web server services. Okay, now let's go to medical website.in, medical demo website. Now we can install the WordPress. Continue, choose the language and continue. Let's go. Database name medical, database username root, password blank, database localhost. Okay, submit it, run installation. Okay, site title medical, username admin, password admin, confirm week, enter email .com. Okay, install WordPress. Okay, now we can log in to our newly installed WordPress website. Admin, password admin, login. Okay, that's it. Now we can install Okay, here we will need a slider and icon box, icon list, just icon box, and form, a tab, a testimonial carousel, and theme, gallery, carousel, gallery, price box. Okay, so it is commonly used widgets. Let's install new plugins for this website. Let's search Elementor. Install Elementor. Header footer blocks, sticky header for Elementor, mat form for Elementor, Sina extension for Elementor, unlimited elements for Elementor. About 6 with the plugins. For the theme, let's use the default WordPress theme, that is 2021. You can delete other themes. This 2021 theme is one of the most lightweight and commonly used WordPress default theme, so you can use it. Settings, permanent links, post name, substances, and let's create a new add new page. Let's call it home page. Page attribute, okay, publish it, and go to reading setting, and static home page. Select the home page substances and delete the sample post, delete permanently, and in the page you can delete the sample to delete it permanently. Okay, let's see if okay, in the plugins here you can select all plugins and activate them. Okay, in the plugins now we have installed 5 plugins. Unlimited elements for Elementor is missing. Here it is, activate it. Okay, now we have done the preparation, the start of installations. Starting from next video we can design starting the header, Thanks for watching again. I hope this video is helpful to you. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe it and click on the notification bell icon not to miss any videos and updates.